on so we get this on film.
We're putting it on YouTube. All the problems at Apple.
On
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 50, 60, 760.
$760. Alright, we'll take your face off.
We could edit and add. We'll put like the president's face. Being the president is
Cash, sir.
higher than.
Got closer to your phone.
Yes, sir. Turn it around. What is those numbers there? How many of them? 32-bit?
32 bits, baby. 9 gigs.
Went through so much to get the phone.
How about this, sir? Chip card a little shop up there.
How much are they?
$19, sir.
19 whole dollar bills. I think that's too much money. I don't think I want to pay that much for this.
$30.
It's okay.
The unboxing.
You got pay
Not
for
push listed.
something. No, you don't care if I open it. I paid for it. It's mine.
You just use this card.
Yeah, I can use that card. Thank you, sir. Woo! Casey, do you feel excited for me?
Oh yeah.
How about you, Jesse? Do you feel excited for me?
I'm excited for you.
Excited for me. Don't take his face.
Don't worry, we'll take them out.
Okay. What president do you want to be? Lincoln, Obama?
It has to be Obama.
Has to be?
I like Obama.
Obama's cool. The unboxing.
Woo! 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 Woo!
What noise is gonna get out of the deal?
Feel like that. Yeah. Where's my cleaning cloth?
Hey, you know what? Oh, these are cool little apples. I'm gonna take one of these apples.
Take one. Take two.
It's just a little cleaning cloth up there. Let me double check for you.
Please. Maybe Ivan wants the cleaning cloth.
I can't even take it off. We'll do it later. Just, you think you'll hook me up with a cleaning cloth too, brother?